I've been following up with Mrs. Peterson for the past few weeks. She's making some progress with her recovery from the stroke, but there are a few concerns. She's been struggling with memory recall and seems very withdrawn. Her daughter mentioned that she's become more anxious about leaving the house.
That's concerning. Has she mentioned anything specific that's causing the anxiety?
She hasn't directly said much, but it's clear that she's worried about her ability to manage things on her own outside the house. I've noticed she gets overwhelmed even with small tasks, like going to the local shop. She's also been having difficulty keeping track of her medications, which worries me.
That's understandable, considering her cognitive changes. Have you had any discussions about community support or additional home care?
Yes, we're in the process of arranging a home care worker to assist her, especially with medication management. But I'm still concerned about the ongoing anxiety. It might be helpful to consider a referral for a psychological evaluation, perhaps to address her fears about independence.
I agree. A referral would be useful. Let's proceed with that and see how she responds. Mihira, it is completely natural to feel a bit anxious after a procedure like this, but I want to reassure you that your pacemaker is an incredibly reliable device designed to keep your heart safe and steady. Serious complications from it are very rare, so you can truly lean on it as you heal. Still, as your body recovers, keeping a close eye on how you feel is an important part of taking care of yourself. Over the next few days, please look out for warning signs that mean we should check in with your doctor right away. This includes things like sudden shortness of breath, unusual chest pain, dizziness, or feeling like your heart is racing or skipping beats. You also want to watch the small area where the device was placed. If you notice any unexpected bleeding, increasing swelling, warmth, or fluid leaking from the site, those are signs that need medical attention. Catching these early ensures everything stays on the right track, so never hesitate to speak up if something feels off. You are doing wonderfully, and we are right here with you.